How to automatically fulfill orders on Dsers and AliExpress. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to of course open our browser and go to Dsers.com. Once you're in Dsers.com, sign in or sign up to Dsers if you don't have an account yet. As for me, I already do have one, so I have signed in to Dsers. So the first thing that you're going to see is the find suppliers option right here. Basically, Dsers is a drop shipping from AliExpress that also connects to your Shopify store. As you can see here under settings in our Dsers, let's open our settings. So here, when we open our settings under stores, you can see our Shopify store has already been linked from or to Dsers. So another way of linking Dsers to Shopify as well is by going to your Shopify admin store. Now here, you just need to go to our search bar above, all right, and then click on apps. Now go to recommended apps and let's try going to our Shopify app store here. All right, there you have it. Now, once we're routed to our Shopify app store, simply search on Dsers. All right, there you have it. And go to Dsers AliExpress dropshipping. Okay. Okay. So basically, it has a 14-day free trial. Additional charges may apply after that one. Um, so here you can simply install the application or link it to your Shopify account. But as for me, I have already linked my Dsers. Now let's focus more on to our Dsers.com. So here, let's go to our find suppliers section. So here, you can see that we have AliExpress. Basically, our suppliers are from AliExpress. So if you scroll down, you will see a variety of products that you can actually um, also sell on your Shopify store. Now let's try to go to this section here. Beside AliExpress, there's a button which gives you like a section, all right, on what kind of products you can actually choose from. So this is the sports section basically. And here you can see sports products. So let's be more specific. So let's look for camping and hiking. Okay, there you have it. And you can see camping and hiking equipment right there. Now, here in the search bar, you could also enter a keyword or search for a certain item. So, for example, a tent there. So, you can see a variety of tents and even like parts of the tent that you can sell in your Shopify store. So for instance, we are going to have this tent. So you can click on the magnifying glass to have supplier optimizer and this one to import. So I have clicked on this one to import. Now you can go to your import list to check if it has been imported. Now let's click on it. And then we will basically be routed to our import list section. And as you can see, there are like a variety of products that I have already used. And we can see the tent in here, right? So if you click on this pencil icon, that means you can edit the product. And here you can edit your product, the variant, the description, images, and shipping info. So under product, you can actually input a different title from the one that you have right there and make it very specific basically. All right. Okay, so here I'm typing in my title. Dot. Okay, now here under collections, type, tags, vendor, you could also add that one. You just need to choose from the drop down. But as you can see, it's empty. All right. And there you have it. Now, the next section is our variant section. In the variant section, you can actually tick the boxes of the certain products that you would want to import or push to your Shopify store. So, as for me, I would only like to have four variations or four variants of the tent that we have right there. You can also compare the price value and you can see the stock to Shopify as well. And there you have the cost, the color, the ship, where it shipped from, stock on AliExpress, the value, and the likes. Okay, now once you're done choosing the variants, you can go to the next section, which is the description. Okay, now here in the description section, you can actually see the specifications of this certain item that we would like to push to our Shopify. And in the images section, you can actually choose from the images right here or the images that will show up in your store. Now you could also choose like a shipping info. You can check AliExpress shipping cost information. So let's say for example United States. So that's how much it costs to ship, and also like the estimated delivery time. Now once done editing the information, click on push to Shopify, but let's save this one first. Okay. Now we have saved on this one. Let's tick on the box right here on this specific um, product, or you could also click on push to Shopify button like what I did, and just tick on the boxes for the preferences section if you would want to tick on those. And let's also publish this to our online store. Now click on push to Shopify. All right, now once done pushing to Shopify, let's take a look at our Shopify store. So here I will open my Shopify admin here. Okay, so I already have my Shopify logged in. Let's go to the online store section and let's try to see whether or not it has been added. But before that, let's go to the product section first. And here you can actually see that we have our tent added to our product section. So people can buy that from our Shopify store basically. Okay. Now you can actually see this I button or I icon in between. In there, you can actually view it in your Shopify store. So if you click on that one. Okay, now let's just wait for the page to load. And okay, let's try to refresh the system first. Okay, there. So basically, if you view it in your Shopify App Store or you click on that I button right there, it will route you to your current theme or Shopify store. And you can see your product in there already. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys find this video helpful. Bye!